So guys, no, medyo mainit po yung balita ngayon regarding sa recall ng Suzuki Espresso units manufactured by Maruti Suzuki India. Units that are manufactured between July 2021 to February 2023, wherein kasama sa 87,000 plus vehicles including yung kanilang e-eco ang need na palitan ng tie rod ends. So if ikaw ay may Suzuki Espresso released between July 2021 up to February 2023, malamang kasama si kape mo sa recall. And maaaring matanong mo, paano ko malalaman nakasali ang unit ko for the recall? May babayaran ba ako? And anong process kaya ni Suzuki Philippines para maisalang ko yung aking unit for the tie rod end replacement? So stick po kayo sa video guys while I share my experience sa recall and tie rod end replacement ni Espresso ko kanina sa kasa. So sa mga hindi po nakakalam guys, yung tie rods po kasama yung tie rod and ball joints ay ang nagko-connect sa steering rack gearbox ng ating sasakyan. Ito po ang responsable sa pagliliko ng ating front wheels corresponding dun sa pag-steer ng ating manubela. Kaya nga pag depekto po yung ating tie rods and yung tie rod ends, common po yung lumalagutok habang iniikot nyo yung manubela or worse, nakuwag naman sana. Pag yung humiwalay na yung rod mismo sa ball joint dahil sira, depekto, o walang matinong lubrication sa tie rod ends, well, syempre disgrasya. Dahil di mo na kontrolado ang pagliko-liko or steady driving ng iyong sasakyan.
Maruti Suzuki India wants to recall 87,599 Espresso and Eco cars. And if you're wondering why, because you don't find anything wrong with your car so far, then you should know that the company thinks there is a problem with these cars. A serious problem. The defect which has triggered this callback has to do with a suspected fault with the steering system. To be specific, a part of the steering tie rod is suspected to be defective, which in rare cases may break, and that in turn will affect the car's steerability and handling. Maruti Suzuki India said this in an exchange filing. So even if you don't think there's anything wrong with your Maruti Suzuki Espresso or Eco, but have received communication regarding the recall from the company, you should comply and send the car back as soon as possible. Also, the recall only applies to cars manufactured between July 5th, 2021 and February 15th, 2023. So don't forget to check the manufacturing date of your car when you come across this news.
Masamang balita nga yun guys, no? But the good news is Maruti Suzuki is taking ownership of the problem. Binalita agad nila ito and they issue a recall. Their recalling means they will rectify the problem by replacing the tie rod ends for free. Yes po, wala pong dapat na babayaran. So dito pa lang guys, no, I can say that Suzuki is indeed serious in their business. Kasi naman may mga ibang car companies naman din talaga na wala nang pakialam sa iyo after sales. And even if they identify the defect, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Parang ganun. So maswerte pa rin tayo guys, no, dahil in-own ni Suzuki yung accountability nila. Well, in the case of Suzuki Philippines guys, 2 to 3 weeks after the news, they made agad a list, no, and contacted the affected clients by the recall. And ganun na nga yung nangyari sa akin. But if you are still not contacted at this point, I suggest you submit yourself, and your vehicle's information online sa Suzuki PH. Yung website po na kung saan nyo po makikita kung kasali yung inyong Suzuki Espresso of the campaign is autoservicecampaign.suzuki.com.ph. So ilalagay ko na lang po doon sa description guys, yung link kung saan nyo mahanap yung website. Anyway, pag nasa loob na po kayo ng website guys, no, scroll nyo lang po sa ibaba at andun po yung information na need nila sa inyo to identify and check if kasamang yung unit mo sa recall. They will only need your VIN number or VIN na number, which you can easily check sa inyong sasakyan gaya ng pinapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon. In my case, kinuha ko lang siya agad sa aking certificate of registration. VIN number po pala guys, no, are 17 alphanumeric characters. Ibig sabihin nun 17 na magkahalong letters and numbers. Matapos nyo po itong i-fill out guys, no, you can then click yung search vehicle na button dyan sa gilid nung rectangle na paglalagay nyo yung VIN number. And then, the system will check if your unit is part of the campaign. You will easily identify it agad dahil gaya ng nangyari sa akin, lalabas agad kung anong servicing status ang registered on your VIN number. For those po na walang results, marari pong hindi kasali yung unit nyo sa campaign. But just to make sure, no, para maging sigurado po kayo kung kasali ba yung unit nyo o hindi, I suggest na kontakin nyo na po agad yung kasa. Kasi may nabasa na rin ako sa social media dati, no, or ng mga nakarang araw na nasali daw yung unit nila kahit wala namang return result yung servicing status ang VIN number nila online. Anyway guys, from this point, no, if kasali po yung unit mo sa or yung unit nyo sa campaign, the next thing is to click the blue button po dyan sa ibaba, no, to book your service appointment. Mag-open siya ng another window wherein you will need to fill out your information para makapag-set ka na ng appointment for your tie rod end replacement. So and kapag nakabook na ka na guys for service appointment, ang gagawin mo lang is hihintayin mo na lang yung communication na gagawin ni Suzuki for your schedule. Ang nangyari po sa akin guys, yung sinet ko po na schedule online is hindi po siya nasunod. Pero on that date, tumawag din naman si Suzuki sa akin. They confirmed to me na included nga po si Espresso ko sa recall. Kaso on that day, hindi po nila ako masa-service kasi hindi pa daw dumadating yung pyesa. Tinawagan nila ulit ako nitong Tuesday lang, no, September 22, na available na daw yung pyesa. So ang ginawa ko, nag-set na agad ako ng schedule sa kanila ng Thursday, September 24, which is kanina, for the service. Bali dito po sa kasa guys, no, as expected, no, pagdating ko dito, madami akong nakasabay din na Espresso with same status, tie rod end and replacement. So shout out po pala sa mga ka-Espresso ko dito na nakasabay. Bali sa pagkaka-explain po sa nag-service ng aking unit, no, may two phases daw na mangyayari. First is yung pagpapalit ng tie rod ends. Pangalawa is yung pagpapa-wheel alignment nila. Mabilis lang nila na trabaho yung tie rod end replacement. Nagulat nga ako siguro nasa mga 20 to 30 minutes tapos na. Kaso yung wheel alignment, yun ang matagal kasi sa dami namin, need ni Kasa dalhin sa partners nila na shop yung unit ko for wheel alignment. Sa mga magtatanong pala guys, no, o nagwa-wonder kung ano yung papalitan nila. Well, ito po yung tie rod end guys, no? Yan, ganyan po yung mukha niya. So yan po yung papalitan, yan yung old, and yung nakabalot na color green, yun po yung bago na tie rod end. So hindi po yung mahabang rod, yung tie rod mismo yung papalitan, kundi yung tie rod end na merong joint guys. So yun po yung papalitan nila. So yun kasi daw yung identified ni Maruti Suzuki na may defect. So ito po yung kuha ng dashcam ko guys, no, at nagsilbing proof ko lang na dinala nga nila sa partner shop nila yung unit ko 4-wheel alignment. Sa shop na to guys, no, base sa record ni dashcam, no, tansya ko lang nasa 20 minutes lang din nila chinek if aligned yung mga gulong ko. At dahil okay naman siya, no, at wala namang nakita silang depekto, no, so nag final test drive sila, tsaka tapos nun, binalik na nila sa kasa. So overall guys, no, I am again a satisfied client with Suzuki Auto Davao for the service, and mas sasaya kayo guys kasi may pa-freebies si Suzuki sa recall na to, dahil magbibigay sila sa atin guys. Bale, I'm not sure pala ha if nationwide to sa Suzuki Philippines, but they are going to give you a voucher na pwede mo gamitin till December 2023. Libreng 3 fully synthetic oil, change oil labor, at engine flush service. Tamang-tama to sa akin guys, no, at naka-schedule ako for PMS this October. Anyway guys, again, thank you for viewing. If may katanungan kayo, leave it a comment sa ating comment section. And wag nyo din po kalimutan guys to like and to subscribe to our channel. And sa ulitin, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye!